Welcome to the Nutrition Job Lab. You can playfully learn more about the world of food and what 11 jobs you may be interested in here. You will receive a skill report at the end of your visit. The more games you play, the better you will get to know your talents. You can play 10 games in the Job Lab. 5 of these games are played on the equipment in the Job Lab. You will play the other 5 on your tablet. The Job Lab also has various quiz stickers. One quiz image can be scanned in multiple ways. When you scan the stickers with your tablet and answer the questions correctly, you will earn coins that can be used to dress up your own avatar. Cool, right? Some questions may seem difficult, but no worries. A lot of answers can be found on the information signs and the scannable elements. Do you want to win the game? Listen up. You play most games alone, except Walk Along the Belt and Smart Purchasing. These are more fun with a group. If you want to play with a group, it is important that all players log in within 15 seconds of each other. There is a tablet for everyone on this table. Enter your unique group code on the tablet. You should ask the Job Lab guide for this code. Also be sure to enter your first and last name after that. Another useful tip: place your tablet at the provided spot when playing the game. We are almost ready now. But let's discuss all games first. Listen well, as you can only play each game once. In this game, you drag the production processes and place them in the right order. Is everything at the right place? Press the ready button. To the auction. Check the shopping list. Buy when the prices are low, but make sure others are not faster. This game is the most fun with a group. Tip: keep an eye on your budget. What is or isn't on the belt when it stops moving? Tip: don't simply state everything you saw, but only what you can or cannot see when the belt is not moving. Make this game even more exciting by playing it with a group. Carefully study the quality of the products. Quickly swipe to the left, right, or down to sort them correctly. But watch out! Some products do not belong in the food sector at all.
Bye-bye!
Would you be a good packer? Catch the products that have fallen from the belt on time before it is too late.
Oops!
Load the pallet on the picking list as fast as possible. You can find the location and the product on the list. Tip: use the joystick to move forwards and backwards, up and down. You can steer by simply using the steering wheel, not the joystick. Make sure to pick the right pallet from the stack. On to the next game. Try to load as many pallets as possible on the truck. Do not stack things on top of fragile packages, because things will go wrong. Choose the best deal on the bike. The faster you ride, the faster the belt goes. Earn the most cash with the least amount of effort. Carefully study the skills of the employees. Make sure the belt keeps moving. Place the person with the right skills at the right place. Take a close look at the shape of the missing gears and quickly drag them to the right place. Are you sure? Lock the gears in place using the wrench. That's all. Ready to play? Enjoy!